Welcome to MSBT's online learning course in Emerging Trends in Electronics. MSBT Lead Learning at your doorstep. I am Mr. Pramod Mense, lecturer at Sri Siddheshwar Women's Polytechnic Solapur, presenting you first unit Advanced Processors. Unit outcome is describe the given advancement in the processor architecture. At the end of this presentation, student will be able to describe features of Arduino Uno R3 board. Have you heard about Arduino? I think many of you heard the term Arduino. Some of you might have used it. Let's learn the Arduino. These are the contents of today's presentation. Introduction to Arduino, Arduino platform and features, Arduino Uno R3 board features, Atmel chips used in Arduino boards, and summary. This shows concept map Arduino consisting Arduino hardware and Arduino software. Arduino is an open source hardware and software platform, project and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for building digital devices. Arduino boards are available commercially from official website or through authorized distributors. Arduino board designs use of variety of microprocessors and microcontrollers. The microcontrollers can be programmed using the C and C++ programming languages. The boards are equipped with set of digital and analog input-output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards or breadboards. We call them shields and other circuits. Let's see Arduino platform. Arduino is composed of major two parts: the Arduino board, which is the piece of hardware you work on when you build your objects; Arduino IDE, the piece of software you run on your computer. They use the IDE to create a sketch. Sketch is a little computer program that you upload to the Arduino board. This gives instruction to board what to do. Let's see Arduino features, how Arduino is different from other platforms because of these features. It is a multi-platform environment. It can run on various operating systems like Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. It is based on the processing programming integrated design environment and easy to use development environment used by various designers. You program it via a USB cable, not a serial port. This feature is useful because many modern computers don't have serial ports. It is open source hardware and software. If you wish, you can download the circuit diagram, buy all the components and make your own without paying anything to the makers of Arduino. The Arduino Uno R3 is a microcontroller board based on removable dual inline package Atmega 328 AVR microcontroller. We'll see various features of Arduino board. 14 digital I/O pins, pins 0 to 13. We'll see here pin 0 to 13. These 0 to 13 pins are digital pins. These can be inputs or outputs which is specified by the sketch you create in the IDE. 6 analog input pins. These analog input pins are dedicated analog input pins. Take analog values, voltage readings from a different sensors and convert them into a number between 0 to 1023. Arduino board having 6 analog output pins, pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. These are exactly 6 of the digital pins that can be reprogrammed for analog output using the sketch you create in the IDE. The board can be powered from your computer's USB port. Most USB chargers or an AC adapter 9 volts recommended. If there is no power supply plugged into the power socket, the power will come from the USB board. But as soon as you plug a power supply, the board will automatically use it. Programs can be loaded onto it from the easy to use Arduino computer program. This is USB port where you can plug the USB. Here you will see the voltage regulator 7805 for voltage regulation purpose. Here you will see the crystal oscillator of 16 MHz frequency. The board can be powered up through these power pins 5 volt or 3.3 volt. Here the Atmega 328 microcontroller is used. Also it provides I2C communication. Here the reset button is provided to reset the device. Here you can see 2 pins for serial communication, RX and TX. We'll see Arduino board setup. Plug the board into the USB port on your computer and check that the green LED power indicator on the board illuminates or not. In this way, you can plug Arduino board through USB cable. Standard Arduino boards like Uno, Mega have a green LED power indicator located near the reset switch. An orange LED near the center of the board labeled pin number 13 LED should flash on and off when the board is powered up. If that LED will not glow when you power up, then there is a misconnection between board and power supply. These are the various types of Arduino boards we can use in various applications. Arduino Uno, that is operate on 16 MHz frequency. Arduino Nano, which works on 16 MHz frequency. Arduino LilyPad, which works on 8 MHz frequency. Arduino Mega Board, which works on 16 MHz frequency. Arduino Ethernet, 16 MHz frequency. And Arduino Pro Mini, which works on 3.3 volt at 16 MHz frequency. The original Arduino hardware was manufactured by the Italian company. 17 versions of the Arduino hardware have been commercially produced. Arduino shields. Arduino and Arduino compatible board use printed circuit expansion boards called as shields, which plug into the normally supplied Arduino pin headers. Here you can see prototyping shield is stacked on two motor shield. Screw terminal breakout shield, here you can see in a wing type format. Data logging shield with a secure digital SD card slot and real-time clock chip. Here you will see motor shield with screw terminals. These are expansion boards called as Arduino shields. We'll see various Atmel chips used in Arduino boards. In Arduino Uno or Nano board, Atmega 16 IC is used, having 16K on-chip flash memory, 1 KB RAM memory, 14 I/O pins. Also, we can use Atmega 328 and 328P in Nano or Uno board, having 32 KB on-chip flash memory, 2 KB RAM memory, 14 input-output pins. P stands for Pico power consumption. In Arduino Mega board, 256 KB on-chip flash memory is available, 4 KB RAM memory is available, 54 input-output pins are available. Let's summarize today's presentation. Arduino is an open source hardware and software platform. Arduino Uno R3 board have 14 digital pins, 6 analog input pins, 6 analog output pins, and board can be powered with AC adapter or with USB. Atmega 328 chip is used in Arduino Uno board, having 32K on-chip flash and 2K RAM memory. Students, for more learning, attempt MCQ assessment set provided in e-content. Thank you.